Good morning, students. Welcome to the online English teaching class. Today we shall read a story, The King Who Loved Storage. The story, The King Who Loved Storage of class 5th. So let's start the story. Once there was a king. There was a king. He loved to listen to stories. He loved to listen to stories in the morning. He loved to listen to stories at noon. He loved to listen to stories in the afternoon. He loved to listen to stories in the evening and at night. In the evening and at night. Listening to stories almost became a disease with him. He did not do any work. The only work he did was listening to stories. So he appointed hundreds of storytellers to tell him stories. When the king was in the bathroom or when he was asleep, someone told him stories. But every story had an end, and there was always a gap of time between the ending of a story and the beginning of another story. This gap he did not like, so he wanted an endless story. He promised to give half of his kingdom if one told him an endless story. Hundreds of storytellers came, but everyone's tale had an end. Then he promised to give the whole of his kingdom, the whole of his kingdom, and his beautiful daughter, if someone told him an endless story, but on one condition. If one failed, his head would be cut off. So, being afraid of death, मृत्यु भୟରେ no one came for a long time, but finally came a brave and handsome young man to tell the story. He started. Once there was a great famine. 100,000 of locusts searched for food. They looked for food everywhere. Finally, they found a king's barn full of grain, but there was only one small hole large enough for only one locust to get in. One got in, brought a grain, and came out. Next, another. Next, another. Next, another. In this way, the story goes on. The king was tired of listening to the story, and he knew the story would never come to an end. He therefore asked the brave young man to stop the story. Asked the young man to stop the story and gave him his kingdom and his daughter in marriage. From that day, he was cured of his disease of listening to stories. He realized the truth once for all. If a story has no end, it stops to be a story. ଯଦି ଷ୍ଟୋରିର ଅନ୍ତ ନାହିଁ ତାହା ଷ୍ଟୋରି ନୁହେଁ. So let's discuss some question and answer. What did the king love to do? ରାଜା କ'ଣ ଭଲ ପାଉଥିଲେ? The king loved to listen to stories. Listen to stories. The next question, Why did the king want an endless story? Because there was a gap between the ending of a story and beginning of another story. The third question, what did he promise to give first? First, he promised to give half of his kingdom. Then the fourth question is, what did he promise to give next? The answer is next. He promised to give his whole kingdom and beautiful daughter. Then the questions of fill in the blanks. B. The young man tells his experience to one of his friends. Fill in the blanks. To complete. Once there was a king. There was a king. He loved to listen to stories. Loved to listen to stories. He listened to stories at noon. He loved to listen in the afternoon. He loved to listen in the evening and at night. He did not like a story to end. He therefore wanted an endless story. An endless story. He promised to give his kingdom and daughter if one told an endless story. I told an endless story and got his daughter and kingdom. So students, let's write the answer and show it to your teachers. Thank you.